Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you've come online and you're looking to generate leads, you're looking to get your business rolling, and maybe you've tried a few things, it just hasn't really panned out for you. Maybe you've failed at trying to get leads, maybe you're trying to get traffic and it's just not working out. Well, in this video, I'm gonna talk to you how to get free leads with paid traffic. We're gonna do it like a total boss. All right, so you come online, you want to have that lifestyle, you want to be able to do the fun things you want in life. That's what we do here on these videos, and that's what we do right here on my channel here. And the way we do that is we create a simple business online using affiliate marketing, using your own products, and we use paid traffic and we generate leads. Now, if you're if you already have a business going and you're looking to generate more leads, the best way you can do this is, well, there's actually two ways you can do this. You can either go out and find free traffic and you send it to a lead capture page, or you can generate paid traffic and send it to a lead capture page. Okay. Now in this video, I'm going to talk to you about kind of how to get paid traffic and how to get it for free almost. But before we do that though, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So you have a lead capture page. You want to generate leads. You want to get traffic to that lead capture page. You want to get the right traffic to that lead capture page. And you want to be able to take those leads, get them onto your list and being able to follow up with those leads so you can generate more revenue, you can generate your business, you can get things going. The way you do this is, and a lot of times people think that they come online and they want to have more traffic and they want to generate more traffic, they want to get paid traffic, they want to get free traffic. They do all these things to try to get traffic. But traffic is really not the problem, it's not the issue, okay? And I used to think this for a long time. I used to think this all the time. I used to think that, if I just had enough traffic or if I had more traffic, I would do a lot better. And once I realized that once I could get more traffic, I realized that it's not the traffic is the problem. There's so much traffic out there. I mean, you got so many things out there to generate traffic. The real issue that people have is taking that traffic and getting conversions on that traffic. So if you're out there doing a ton of free traffic strategies where you're posting on Facebook, you're creating YouTube videos, and you're trying to do that, you're trading your time. So it's not like it's free. You're trading your time to do that. But when you start to get into paid traffic and you start getting into Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or you start buying solo ads, okay, you're paying your money for that, all right? So understand that when you pay your money, you get that traffic. You want to be able to take that traffic and convert that on the back end. Now, always when you're buying traffic, you always want to have the mindset of just breaking even with your traffic. You never want to try to buy traffic and get sales to where you can make profits on those sales. You want to be able to just break even to where if you put $1 in and you get a lead and you get your dollar back, well, now what you're doing is you're basically creating your list for free. And the way you do this is very simple, is you're going to buy traffic from places like Facebook and you're going to set up a funnel, and that funnel is going to be a stair step. It's going to be a low ticket front end offer. It could be $7 offer. And then on the one-time offer, it could be $21 or $27 on the back end. And then you have this funnel that's set up. So when you do buy traffic and you get somebody to opt in and it redirects to the page that's a one-time offer, and then somebody buys that, well, then you're going to recoup that spend that you put into your ads. So not everybody's going to buy that one-time offer, but if you only get a few to buy that offer, it's going to offset the cost of your traffic. Now, when you start to get one-time offers, you start to get money coming into those, all that money, all you do is you just take it and reinvest it back into your ad spend. You can go and you can buy more solo ads if you want. You can go buy more Facebook ads. You can buy YouTube ads. If you're making that spend back, so if you spend $100 on solo ads and then you get only $100 back, but you built a list, now you have that list and now you can offer more products to that list, because the list on the back end is where all the money is going to be made. That's where it separates kind of the people that want to make money and the amateurs to the professionals that are actually doing this for a living. It's the back end, it's the follow-up. Because if you build a list and you build that list for free, then when you mail that list, that is pure profit to you. It's all just pure profit. There's a couple different ways you can do this. Now, you can set up your own funnel if you want. You can set up your own product if you want. You could use your own payment system. There's a lot of different ways to do that. It's a good way to do that. But what I recommend if you're getting first started is just use funnels that are already set up. You got JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus. These are going to be two great places where you can find already offers that are built in. They already have a funnel built in, and a lot of times they're going to pay you right into your PayPal account. So what I do is this, is I'll go and buy, let's say, a solo ad for $100. And then I go to an opt-in form, somebody opts into the form, and then they get redirected to the one-time offer. And this could be an affiliate link that I have set up through JVZoo. So it goes to that page, somebody sees that, and then they're either going to buy it or they're not going to buy it. If they buy the low ticket $7 front end offer, well, now that adds, it puts money back into my PayPal account. So when I go buy a solo ad, I pay for it with like a PayPal money, and then I buy that traffic. It goes to my opt-in form, and then it redirects to my sales page. It could be the affiliate offer that I have set up. Somebody buys that, and it goes right back into my PayPal account. Now, if somebody buys at $7 and then they buy the $27 and maybe they buy the $150 package, all that money goes boom right back into my PayPal account. So my PayPal account starts to grow, and I take that PayPal account, buy more ads, and those ads spend goes right back into it, and it's just a constant flow. It's just kind of a circular flow. But the whole time I'm building a list, doing this as I'm doing this. You understand that? Do you get that? I hope you do, because it's so important to do that. Because a lot of times I see so many people, they buy ads and then they go right to a sales page and they're frustrated because they spent like $100 and they didn't get their $100 back. And they're like, well, I'm out $100 and it doesn't work. Well, the reason why it doesn't work is because you're not building that list, and that list on the back end is going to be pure profits to you. Now you can take that money that you make from your list that you follow up with, and you can buy more ads. You can buy bigger ads. You can buy, you can scale it up to big time YouTube ads, or spend a ton more money on Facebook ads, and it just starts to multiply. But it has to be a stair-step effect to do that. And you can use ClickBank offers, but the problem with ClickBank offers is you don't get paid on the funnel. And I like ClickBank offers for certain different areas, like health and fitness. I like those. But ClickBank only gives you like 80% of the sale. So if the affiliate if you get paid, like, let's say somebody buys the ClickBank product and it's $100, well, you may only get $80 out of that. But that vendor that owns that product, they might make like $400 or $500 on the back end of that product. So you're not really benefiting from that. That's why I like JVZoo, because you get to benefit from that funnel that's going through. You get 50% on the products that goes through there. Okay, so if you're going to get leads for free and you're going to pay for them with paid ads, always use an affiliate funnel that has a back-end funnel set up, and it always has it to where when they pay you, it goes right into your PayPal account. So you can take that money in PayPal and you can reinvest that back into more ads. And as you reinvest that more ads, your list starts to grow and grow and grow. And then when your list grows and grows and grows, then you're able to follow up, do great things, help more people, and inspire more people to buy your products and buy your service. And then you win, they win, life is good. Hey, if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below, let me know how I can help your business. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next one.